Another round of sweeping layoffs and job cuts.
Amazon doing another round of layoffs.
Tens of thousands of workers in the industry who find themselves unemployed.
In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI, and its potential impact on the job market. As AI continues to advance, there's growing concern about its effect on employment, with some claiming it will replace 80% of jobs in the next few years. But is any of this true? Let's explore the negative impact of AI on employment and find out. AI has the potential to automate various tasks, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings for businesses. However, this technological progress also raises concerns about job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it could potentially replace human labor in a range of sectors, leading to job losses and increased economic inequality. But let's take a closer look at how many jobs AI might replace by the year 2030. The number of job tasks at risk largely depends on the industry. Studies by PwC suggest that up to 30% of jobs could be at risk of automation by the early 2030s. However, this figure varies across industries, with some sectors facing a higher risk of job displacement than others. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the employment industry profoundly, introducing automation and efficiency, but raising concerns about potential negative impacts. As AI technologies advance, there is growing apprehension that they will disrupt the job market, leading to job displacement, changing workforce dynamics, and challenges in job quality. In this video, we'll explore the negative impact of AI on the employment industry and its implications for workers and society. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI in the employment industry is the potential for job displacement and automation. AI-driven machines and algorithms can perform repetitive tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, leading to a decreased demand for certain job roles. Manufacturing, retail, transportation, and customer service sectors are particularly vulnerable to job displacement as AI systems take over routine tasks. As companies adopt AI-powered technologies to streamline operations, there is a possibility of reducing the need for human workers in various roles, resulting in unemployment and economic disruption. This scenario can exacerbate income inequality and create challenges for displaced workers in transitioning to new job opportunities. AI's impact on the employment industry is not limited to job displacement. It also affects job quality. In some cases, AI-driven automation may create low-wage, precarious jobs that lack stability and benefits. The gig economy, driven in part by AI platforms, has seen a rise in gig-based and contract work, which can leave workers without job security and adequate labor protections. Additionally, AI's role in optimizing operations and cutting costs may result in increased productivity expectations for workers, leading to burnout and dissatisfaction. Striking a balance between AI-driven efficiency and maintaining job quality is crucial to ensuring a healthy and sustainable work environment. While AI has the potential to automate repetitive and low-skilled tasks, it can also impact middle-skilled jobs that involve routine cognitive activities. Roles like data entry, administrative tasks, and data analysis are susceptible to automation, leading to reduced demand for workers in these positions. The loss of middle-skilled jobs can have cascading effects on the employment industry, as workers in these roles may struggle to find suitable alternative employment options. Ensuring a smooth transition of middle-skilled workers into emerging AI-related roles or other industries is a challenge that requires proactive planning and support. AI's use in the employment industry raises ethical and privacy concerns related to data collection, surveillance, and decision-making. For instance, AI-powered employee monitoring systems may raise questions about employee privacy and autonomy. Employers must navigate the balance between leveraging AI for productivity gain and respecting employees' rights to privacy. Additionally, AI-driven hiring algorithms be transparent and explainable, allowing candidates to understand the basis of hiring decisions. Ethical AI practices and adherence to privacy regulations are essential to foster trust and maintain a positive relationship between employers and employees. While AI brings promising advancements and efficiency to the employment industry, its negative impacts cannot be overlooked. Job displacement, skills mismatch, job quality challenges, bias in decision-making, and ethical concerns pose significant challenges for workers and employers alike. Addressing these issues requires collaborative efforts from policymakers, businesses, and educational institutions to create a future where AI augments the workforce rather than replacing it. Ensuring that the benefits of AI are equitable distributed among workers, that the transition to an AI-driven economy is smooth for all, will be key to mitigate negative impact of AI in the employment industry. Striking a balance between technological advancement and human well-being is crucial in shaping a future where AI complements and empowers the workforce, fostering a more sustainable and inclusive job market. Examples of AI taking over jobs are already visible in various sectors. For instance, self-checkout kiosks have reduced the need for cashiers in retail stores, while autonomous vehicles have the potential to displace truck drivers and taxi drivers. Now let's dive into two specific industries that have experienced significant changes due to AI, translation and manufacturing. The translation industry is a prime example of how AI has significantly altered the employment landscape. The advent of AI-driven tools and technological advancements has reshaped the job market for translators, affecting both their income and job responsibilities. The transformation of the translation industry began with the introduction of computer-aided translation (CAT) tools in the early 1990s. These tools increased productivity but also led to a downward spiral in rates for translators as large agencies leveraged this boost in efficiency. The arrival of neural networks and translation tools like DeepL future disrupted the industry, with machine translation quality improving significantly. Income for translators dropped to new levels, affecting even countries like Germany, whose profession was once highly regarded. The role of employed translators also shifted, with many now working as low-paid project managers, coordinating the translation process between clients and freelancers instead of translating texts themselves. Those who do work on translations often have to pre-translate text using AI-based tools like DeepL and then attempt to refine the results. The experience of translate services as a cautionary tale of other industries facing the proliferation of AI-based tools. However, it is also worth noting the impact on the translation industry might have been less severe if translators had sought the support of unions and collectively fought for better working conditions. The manufacturing industry is another prominent example of how AI and automation have drastically changed the job market. The introduction of AI-driven tools, robotics, and other technological advancements has led to a significant shift in the type and number of jobs available in manufacturing. The impact of AI and automation on the manufacturing industry can be traced back to the early days of computer numerical control (CNC) machines and robotics. These machines enable manufacturers to automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for human labor in certain roles. With the advent of smart factories and Industry 4.0, the demand for human labor in the manufacturing sector has continued to decline. AI-driven systems can now oversee and optimize production processes, resulting in even fewer jobs for human workers in manufacturing. There is now a higher demand for skilled professionals who can maintain, program, and manage the AI-driven systems and robotics used in manufacturing. However, this often requires specialized training and education, which may be inaccessible to workers who previously held manual labor jobs in the industry. As we can see, AI already impacts jobs in various industries, raising concerns about potential job losses. But how can we prevent AI from taking over jobs entirely? To minimize the negative impact of AI on employment, it is crucial to focus on reskilling and upskilling workers and foster a culture of lifelong learning. This will help individuals adapt to the challenging job market and equip them with the necessary skills to thrive in the age of AI. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in developing policies and programs that encourage continuous learning and support those whose jobs may be at risk. Despite the concern, there are certain jobs that AI is unlikely to replace entirely. These typically involve complex decision-making, creativity, empathy, or physical dexterity. For example, surgeons, nurses, and therapists require human intuition and judgment that are challenging for AI to replace. The nuanced nature of human emotions and experiences make it difficult for AI to replace these professions' emphatic and insightful support. Social workers and elementary school teachers engage with individuals and students, requiring empathy, adaptability, and human touch. These roles involve navigating complex social situations and providing personalized guidance, which AI may struggle to replicate. Research scientists and physical therapists involve creative problem solving and hands-on care. AI can assist with data analysis or simulations, but human researchers and therapists are crucial for driving scientific progress and providing individualized attention. Chefs balance flavors, textures, and presentation while adapting to customer preferences and dietary needs. Emergency responders must react quickly and effectively in high-pressure situations, performing physically demanding tasks and providing emotional support. AI may support these professions, but cannot replace the human touch and understanding needed. While AI and automation may lead to job displacement in certain sectors, there are also opportunities for new job roles to emerge and for AI to complement human workers in various industries. The key lies in embracing technological advancements while also investing in the continuous development of human skills and creativity. Let's strive for a future where AI enhances our lives and coexists harmoniously with the workforce. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also click on the subscribe button for more exciting contents.